Yes, I am recording the intro after I did the whole video because apparently I thought the intro that I recorded already was good. Yes, the Nintendo DS, the one that everyone remembers from childhood. The game's in there, and it's not being read. This one's great. Oh my gosh, my toolkit almost fell. So yeah, judging by my tone, it didn't work. You can watch it anyway, I don't care. This is my DS Lite. Look at that. It looks so great, right? Normal on the outside, well, kinda. Also this thing. Hey, look at that. Two-tone. So, I had to replace it like that because, well, the hinges were broken. I have another one here. It's in kinda bad shape. Look at the hinge. Worst part is not the scratch. It's not showing anything. So that DS is kind of garbage, but I want to try to open it up and see if reseating the display connectors will help, because what had happened was that I dropped it and the hinge broke. So that's why it makes me think it could be just a loose display connection. I'm gonna turn you off. There we go. Alright, let's start by getting the battery out, which is going to be a 000, I think. Batteries are scary, even though it did say the battery was low. I want to play it safe. There you go. There you go. Alright, since now that's the battery is out. Jeez, it's scratched. Let's take these other screws out. Oh. Then there's these, like, weird screws. This Y bit. Yikes. That's all the screws. Wait, no. There's one right there, and there are two under here, I think. Oh. There we go. Now comes time the nasty part. Ew. Ouch. Oh my goodness. There we go. And there are Phillips. Yikes. Oh, they're gold. Nice. Alright, now we should be able to get into it carefully. Oh. Why do I feel like I'm doing something wrong? Oh, There we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, yep. Oh. Oops. Oh man. Alright. Oh shoot. No. Ugh, these things are so hard to put on. Yikes. I'll just put that over there. This guy can come off. Ah, ow, that hurt. How dare you hurt me? Alright, how do we... Just this? Just this screw? Oh my goodness. And are those screws? I have no clue. Nope. Nope. I don't know. Probably, but I'm just gonna say no. Oh my goodness. What is getting caught? Oh. Oh, I see. Gotta take this guy out. There we go. What else is getting caught? Oh my goodness. Oh, I see. There we go. Okay, everything's apart. I'm gonna try this. There we go. Got it. Okay. Could it be this one? I have no clue. I mean, it looks like it's seated incorrectly. Let me just do this. Looks fine to me. There we go. Alright, now this part. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. There we go. Alright, that's in. Then plug in the touch connector, I guess. Seriously? Move out of my way. Okay, let's get this thing on there. After totally murdering the Wi-Fi card. Oh my goodness, it bent up. It bent up. What? Me doing that will make it worse. Oh my goodness. There we go. That was bent forward. Now it should be able to get in. Come on. Oh, seriously? Okay, I think that's in. No. What? Okay. No way. Come on, just... Oh, come on. Is it in? Is it in? Yes, it's in. Okay. Oh, oh my god, that took too long. Oh shoot. Oh no, the adhesive is like peeling. Uh-oh. Okay, good. Now let's try to power it on. Just put this on roughly. Battery. Huh. It's not turning on. Yikes. Okay. Could it be a dead battery or low battery? The light was red. It could be. Oh, oops. Oh, there we go. Battery in. And, well, charger in. Nope. Well, time to struggle to put it back together, I guess. Or take it apart again. Oh my goodness. Ow! It bit me. Okay, there we go. Okay. Make sure everything's connected, I guess. Then screw in that one screw in. Okay, that's in. Actually, no, I need to get the spring in first. Oops. There we go. Okay, that's in, I guess. Oh, how do I... Did I put it in the wrong way? I did. Oh my god. Put this in backwards. Okay, I got it on there finally. Hold it, hold it. Oh, okay, I got it. Now in there. In there, there we go. And put this there, and that there. Did I? Oh my goodness, I turned it around. Wow. Oh my god. Put this in like this. Like that. Like that. It's not that hard. Oh my god. Are you serious? Oh my god. Okay. Sorry, cardboard. Okay, there we go. Finally. Oh my gosh. Ow. Oh. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Are you serious? Holy cow. How do you put these on? Oh my goodness, they're made differently. Oh, why? How do you put it on then? What in the world? Where's my left? Left. Do you put it in like this? I guess. Where's the bar? I got it in. Okay. Let's hope this is the right one for the left. Oh my gosh, no it's not. Or it is and I'm just weak. Oh my gosh. Or I'm an idiot. An absolute moron. Probably. And it's supposed to be like that. Does that work? No. Yes, it works. Okay. Oh my gosh, I've been dumb the whole time. Where'd the bar go? Oh, there. Yes. Yes, okay, I got it. Okay, now how do I put it in there? Like that, okay. Okay, that works. Oh my god. Why is it taking longer to reassemble than to disassemble? I'm mad. This, I guess. Yeah, that is for the volume. Okay. Oh my gosh. Alright, what about the switch? Oh, the switch stays in. Okay. Okay, I got that. Put this in carefully. Yes. Okay. Good. Good, good, good. Okay, now I gotta put the screws in. Back in. Oh my goodness. Oh man, did I just... I did. Oh my god. Oh well. What's this? Oh my goodness, what is that? Mine doesn't have that. What is that? Oh my goodness, is that the screw poking through? Oh no. No, something else. Well, whatever it is, I'm sure that I did not do that. Oh crap, dropped my tool. This project has been a mess. DS didn't even work. Wait. Okay, that's normal. Oh my goodness. The DS never came out working. Oh my goodness. Hey, at least I got my game back. Thanks. Oh, it turned off. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, Nickelodeon. Working on these is better. Oh my gosh. Also, sneak peek. Oh my gosh, what was that? We. Oh man, how do you get over there? What in the world? Stay inside and play Animal Crossing, kids. So, I'm editing the video, right? And I see like this particular part where I, screwed the screws back in. And problem that I just spotted was that I put the gold screws inside the wrong hole. Oh, they're gold. Nice. They were supposed to go in the pieces that had the little rubber feet that I had to do the nasty way of getting them off. Ew. So in this segment, I'm gonna go back and fix that. Oh, just realized the camera was a little zoomed in. Oops. Good. Alright, let's sort the screw problem. The battery has to come out because that's where I put the gold screws in. And that's the issue. There they are. Now those screws were supposed to go in these holes. And these screws were supposed to go in that holes. In those holes. So let's take them out and switch them. Alright, let's get these off. Oh. Oh no. Come on. Yeah. Alright, now let's take those screws out. Oh, I don't want to lose those rubber things. And put these in there. You can tell I'm filming this later because I'm much calmer this time. Alright, let's put these rubber things back on. There we go. Oh. Oh man, I put it on sideways. There we go. And there it is. Kids, never be angry when you're working on electronics, or else you'll forget basic things like that. It still doesn't work. Yay, Animal Crossing! Go, 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 go! Come on, go! Yay!